First write 2M.
First write 2M.
Then draw an inverted U.
Then draw an inverted U.
Draw a J in the middle.
Draw a J in the middle.
Connect them.
Connect them.
Add a few dots and the umbrella is finished.
Add a few dots and the umbrella is finished.
First, write AB, turn it upside down.
First, write AB, turn it upside down.
Draw 2 inverted U's.
Draw 2 inverted U's.
Write an inverted 3's on the right.
Write an inverted 3's on the right.
Then write 2 inverted V's.
Then write 2 inverted V's.
Draw stripes.
Draw stripes.
Draw eyes and nose.
Draw eyes and nose.
Add claws and stripes.
Add claws and stripes.
Draw tail. Draw beard. Kitten finished.
Draw tail. Draw beard. Kitten finished.
First draw a circle with the bottle cap.
First draw a circle with the bottle cap.
Then draw a hexagon.
Then draw a hexagon.
Then connect the 6 corners with the circle.
Then connect the 6 corners with the circle.
Write 5 inverted U's.
Write 5 inverted U's.
Draw the tail and eyes. And finally paint the color. The little turtle finishes.
Draw your eyes, and finally paint the color. The little turtle finishes.
First, write an M.
First, write an M.
Then draw a large inverted 3 and a large positive 3.
Then draw a large inverted 3 and a large positive 3.
Draw a 3 and an inverted 3 below.
Draw a 3 and an inverted 3 below.
Draw a small inverted 3 on the left.
Draw a small inverted 3 on the left.
Connect up and down. Draw a carrot.
Connect up and down. Draw a carrot.
Draw eyes and mouth.
Draw eyes and mouth.
Paint the colors you like. Little white rabbit finished.
Paint the colors you like. Little white rabbit finished.
First write a big plus sign.
First write a big plus sign.
Write an X.
Write an X.
Draw 4 straight lines.
Draw 4 straight lines.
Then draw 4 diagonal lines.
Then draw 4 diagonal lines.
Draw the windmill rod.
Draw the windmill rod.
Paint the color, and the windmill is finished.
Paint the color, and the windmill is finished.
Draw 2 circles and an ellipse.
Draw 2 circles and an ellipse.
Draw 2 small tentacles.
Draw 2 small tentacles.
Draw eyes and mouth.
Draw eyes and mouth.
Draw 4 short feet and 2 long feet.
Draw 4 short feet and 2 long feet.
Draw the patterns on the belly, and the ants finish.
Draw the patterns on the belly, and the ants finish.
First write 3C.
First write 3C.
Draw the mouth.
Draw the mouth.
Draw the eyes.
Draw the eyes.
Then write 3V.
Then write 3V.
Draw the tail.
Draw the tail.
Paint the color. Dolphin finished.
Paint the color. Dolphin finished.
First write 1.
First write 1.
Then 2.
Then 2.
Then 3.
Then 3.
Then 4.
Then 4.
Then 5.
Then 5.
Then 6.
Then 6.
Then 7.
Then 7.
Then 8.
Then 8.
Then 9.
Then 9.
And finally 10. Homes finished.
And finally 10. Homes finished.
First write a 6.
First write a 6.
Then write a V.
Then write a V.
Connect them. Draw the ears.
Connect them. Draw the ears.
Draw the eyes and nose.
Draw the eyes and nose.
Draw the legs.
Draw the legs.
And finally draw the tail. Little fox finished.
And finally draw the tail. Little fox finished.
First write an X.
First write an X.
Then draw a circle.
Then draw a circle.
Write an S and an inverted S.
Write an S and an inverted S.
Then write an inverted D and AD. Scissors finished.
Then write an inverted D and AD. Scissors finished.
First write a 5.
First write a 5.
Write a C to connect.
Write a C to connect.
Draw leaves and add details.
Draw leaves and add details.
And finally paint the color, and the apple is finished.
And finally paint the color, and the apple is finished.
First write an 8.
First write an 8.
Then a 7.
Then a 7.
Then a 2.
then a 2,
then a K,
then a K,
then a C,
then a C,
and finally S draws the tail.
and finally S draws the tail.
First write a 1,
First write a 1,
then a 2,
then a 2,
then a 3,
then a 3,
then a 4,
then a 4,
then 2 5,
then 2 5,
then a 6 and 7. The bird is finished.
then a 6 and 7. The bird is finished.
First write an A,
First write an A,
then draw a C and an inverted C.
then draw a C and an inverted C,
Draw an inverted U in the middle, then draw 2 small U's as eyes. Then draw 2 tentacles.
draw an inverted U in the middle, then draw 2 small U's as eyes, then draw 2 tentacles.
Write a U at the bottom to connect them.
Write a U at the bottom to connect them.
Then draw a small C and a small inverted C, and finally draw 6 O's. Ladybug finished.
Then draw a small C and a small inverted C, and finally draw 6 O's. Ladybug finished.